Hey everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change name on Instagram. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Instagram application. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on Edit Profile button. Now tap on your name. Now delete the text and then enter a new name. You can only change your name twice within 14 days. And if you are done, tap on the tick button at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Change Name option. And this is how you can change name on Instagram. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.